Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it, and this is called Q Reconstruction by height. Suppose you have a random list of people standing in a queue. Each person is described by a pair of integers h and k, where h is the height of the person and k is the number of people in front of this person who have a height greater than or equal to h. Write an algorithm to reconstruct the queue. No, the number of people is less than 1100. Well, I think this problem is kind of like tricky one, right? But anyways, we can solve that. I'll show you how to do that. So first you need to sort this 2D array by the first element, right? And if we see that we got the value at index of 0, which is equal to next element, right? We got like two similar rows, like here, like this element equals to this one, so we need to sort that element in ascending order according to like in ascending order. So let's start. I'll show you how to do that. We can use arrays.sort. We say people, and then here we say A and B, kind of like functional programming, I would say. And here you say A if A at 0 equals to at B at 0. We need to say A at 1 and minus B and 1, and otherwise we just say B at 0 minus A at 0. What does it mean? As I explained it to you before, we sort this array, we try to sort this array in descending order, right? So as you can see, we just have like the greatest value first, then the smallest value in the end of this array, in the end of these rows. So that means if we got, suppose we got like 7 and 0, right? The first row, and then suppose we got like 4 and 4. We can see that this the elements at the index of 0 here, like A0 equals to 7, B0 equals to 4. We can see that they are not the same, so we go to the second condition. We go to this one, and that means that this arrays.sort sorts that array in descending order. So we first have 7 and 0, right, and 4 and 4. That's it. That's what that means, right? If we got, suppose we got suppose we got, like, I'll show you, I'll explain it, like 7 and 0 and 4 and 4. If we have like 7 and 0, and here we got 7 and 1, so we can see that the elements at the position of 0 into these rows are the same. 7 and 7 equals to 7. So we go to this condition. We say A at 1 means this one, minus B at 1 means this one, and that means that we just sort this. We will get the order in ascending order by default, right? So we will get like 7 and 0, and here we got 7 and 1. Yeah, so if we like say not like b at 0 and a at 0, something like, suppose we got hold up, suppose we got b at 0, like we got a and 0 and b and 0. So that means that we sort this array, or just, yeah, we sort this array according to the first the element at the first position at 0 index. So that means that we got 7, like if we got 7 and 0 and 4 and 4, we will have 4 and 4 first, and then we have 7 and 0, right? If we say like b at 0 and minus a and 0, that means that we will have 7 and 0 and 4 and 4. Yeah, that's it. What we have, like according to the first element, right? The elements at 0 index here. Like that means we sort in ascending order, and that means that we sort in descending order. Descending order. Yeah, that's it. So that's the basic idea. What we're gonna do here, just sort this array, this rows, I mean, according to the position of elements. And then we need to create a linked, we need to create just list, not necessarily linked list. We say integer, say int list equals to new array list int, and here we have this one. Then we are looking through this sorted array of people. We say int people and what we're gonna do is that we just put the row, we add the row at the position of the second element. We say p at 1 because that's 0 based in Java. We start from 0. Elements start from 0. We say p, and finally we just return list dot to array to convert this list into the array. New integer to the array of people dot length. People dot length. So here we just say, suppose we got again we got suppose we got like 7. We got this. We have these elements, right here, for example. And what we're gonna do is that we just have a list. We wanna insert the elements according to the second element, the element at the second position, right? So what we have is that we got like 7 and 0. And we insert first 7 and 0 right here. That means like index 0, index 1, and index 2. 7 and 0, then 7 and 1 will be right here. 7 and 1, and then when we go to the second index, to this one, then 5 and 0 we put right before 7 and 0 at the position of 0 according to the second element. So we put right here. We need to shift these elements and we put 5 and 0 right here. That's it. That's the whole problem, you know. We just add the rows of our sorted list into the position of their second number, second element, the element at the second position. That's it. So let me check real quick. Yeah, that's it. Let's run this code, or just let's submit. First try. Of course we need to comment that. Um, there we go. Great. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. Add me on Snapchat. Follow me on Instagram. Give me a big thumbs up to support my channel. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye.